Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new Eye Doctor Layout Pack that I think you're going to love. This layout pack will be extremely useful for any eye doctor website. The pages are beautifully crafted for clean and modern design, and they make it easy to feature products and services, promote deals, and book appointments. It even has a dedicated services page and an individual service page, which really will come in handy. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go over to Divi Theme Options, then click the Updates tab. There, enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Now you will have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. The next step is to go ahead and start creating all of your pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To start, go ahead and create a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then deploy the Visual Builder. Go ahead and select Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down and find the Eye Doctor Layout Pack and click on it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. And once you find the one you want, go ahead and select it and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. Then you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. And when you're done, you're ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To create a new menu, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over on the left, you'll see a list of all of the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them, and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, go ahead and organize your menu items however you like. And don't forget to select your display location as primary menu, and then save the menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page that you created with its corresponding home page layout. And then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the Eye Doctor Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.